been quite a while since I made a video. Unfortunately, I don't have a helmet on, so you're gonna have to look at my face on this one. So I'm currently bikeless, and not for long though. I'm really considering I'm really just deciding which bike I'm gonna go for. I won't tell you guys, but if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you probably know which one I'm looking at. But I did get a new little toy, and I thought I would just give you guys a quick walk around of it. I haven't done much to it yet. I go over what I'm planning on doing, and I'll do a full walk around at a later time. But here it is. It's a 1999 100 Series Landcruiser. It is a V8 petrol one, and I know most of you guys are going to say you should have bought the diesel. Yeah, I mean, I was originally looking at the diesel, and because I really love that engine, I love diesels and everything, but I didn't buy this for a smart decision. This isn't my daily driver. I have another vehicle to run myself around in. This is just for overlanding, camping, all that kind of stuff. I got it at a reasonable price. It has 82,000 Ks on the clock. When I picked it up, it had 79,000 Ks on the clock, and as you can see, it's like proper tidy. I haven't really done anything to the inside other than I put that Kenwood stereo in so I can have Bluetooth, because unfortunately it's a JDM one that has the navigation system, so that was a little bit of a pain. And I put kicker speakers all the way around. If you guys want advice on that, just let me know. But yeah, the interior's mint. I literally, all I've done is put the stereo in on the inside and the drawers in the back that I'll show you in a minute. It came with these wheels, open country Toyo ATs, which are 285 70 17, and they're new, so I'll keep those on there until I need something else. They work great, and I probably would have bought something like that anyway, maybe a little bit bigger, but those are fine. The other thing I did was put LED headlight bulbs, because the just in the main beam, because the factory ones, it's shocking, it's so bad. And I'll put LEDs in all the other ones as well. Yeah, it's still on its factory suspension. It has the AHC, so it's AHC, I think so, the height control system, so you can raise or lower it, and that works perfectly, and it's actually really good. I think what I'll be doing is just using it with the AHC until it fails. I'm sure it'll fail at some point, but probably not for a while. It seems to be pretty good, and with the low amount of Ks, I may as well just use it, and then when it fails, I'll put a lift kit in it. Roof racks, just the rails, so I could get this camping stuff on. So this is the Bushwhacker awning. It's the 270 degree one, which is amazing. I'm going to do a walk around of that pretty soon, and I've got the tent as well, which is so good. I've already slept in it. And yeah, it was super awesome. It has LED lights all through it and everything, so I'll give you guys a run around of that and a full kind of review on that as well. And then yeah, in the back, like I said, the only other thing I've done is the drawers, which I just kind of mostly finished today. Just built out of plywood, and yeah, I really like them. They look awesome. Nice big drawers. They come out heaps, and just above the tailgate, so yeah, that's cool. So yeah, I guess like I said, just a quick walk around. I've got a bunch of plans for this thing, and I'm going to document everything I need to do to it and everything I'm going to do. So far, plans on my list, not all at once because I can't afford it, the front bar and a winch, the rear bar with the tire carrier and the fuel carrier and stuff on it. I need to change the right front CV boot, so maybe I'll make a video on that. I'm sure there's heaps on YouTube already, I don't know. I do want to replace the racks for a tray, like a full platform tray at some point, just to bring the tent down a little bit and make it a little bit more stable. Although, these racks, there's nothing on this roof rack at the moment that's like overweight, so I'm sure it'll be fine, but I do want to get the platform eventually. It's just like $2,000 and I don't need it at the moment. I am just about to order the part-time four-wheel drive kit for it. I think it's called Mark's four-wheel drive part-time kit. It's like, I don't know, 900 bucks or something, and because these are obviously full-time four-wheel drive, whereas cars I've had in the past, like my Safari and all that, were all rear wheel and four-wheel. So yeah, I want to do that. It doesn't seem too difficult, so I'll do that myself and video it. And yeah, it's just great. I love it, man. Like I said, I was looking at the diesel, but it's just I don't know, I wanted something different, and this isn't my daily driver, so you know, the range is, the fuel economy is pretty shit, but I mean, it sounds cool, it's super smooth, and you know, it's a little bit less maintenance than the diesel, and it's a super bulletproof, reliable motor. The only issue really is, you know, and also it was $10,000 cheaper than any other truck. Like, I paid $30,000 for this pretty much, and if you were to get one with this case, if you could even find one in this condition that had the 1HD in it, you'd be paying like $45 probably. So it's way cheaper, less maintenance, and yeah, just a bulletproof motor. So, you know, I don't mind. If it was a daily driver, I definitely would have gone for the diesel. But yeah, I wanted something a little bit different. That's just kind of what I've always been like. And you know, I've had some pretty funny cars in the past that people would question my decisions on, but it's just my preference, and yeah, I'm really loving it. Yeah, I guess looking forward on the channel, really just look out for more videos on this. Like I said, I am going to get another bike soon. So as soon as that's on the channel, we'll jump back into the bikes. And there is a lot of bikes that have come out recently that I need to jump on and review and have a look at. So I'll be doing that as well. And then just kick stuff off, you know. Lots of camping trips. I want to drive down to the South Island again and video that. Watch out for more videos. Hopefully I can get back on track with the channel. So I'll see you guys soon anyway.